I remember the day I left, the look on my kids' faces. That doesn't leave you, not ever. It's the confusion, the hurt, the moment they realise something's changing and they don't understand why, and you're stood there trying to hold it together when inside everything's falling apart. Because no one prepares you for that. No one tells you what it feels like to walk away, know you're never going to have them every single day again. And after that, it doesn't get easier, it gets louder. The thoughts, the questions, the what have I done, over and over again, to the point I couldn't even drive, anxiety through the roof, head spinning, stuck in it. And then you end up back where you started, back at your mum's, like a dog with its tail between its legs, feeling like you failed, as a man, as a father, as a person. And here's the bit no one tells you. It takes time, a lot of time, to rebuild yourself, to even recognize who you are again, because you lose that, you lose your identity in it. Then comes the comparison, looking around. Everyone else looks like they've got it sorted, happy families, perfect lives, and you feel like the one who messed it all up. That shame, that weight, it sits on you. But here's what I learned. You either let it bury you or you build from it. And building, that takes something. It takes strength to look at yourself honestly, to take accountability without destroying yourself in the process. Because yeah, I went through it again. Another divorce, another loss, another moment of thinking, is it me? Am I the problem? And the truth, it doesn't matter, not in the way you think. What matters is what you do with it, how you grow, how you rebuild, how you show up next time, better, stronger, wiser. Because eventually I met someone who saw me for who I'd become, not who I was. Abby, Mrs. Adams III, and that changed everything. Now I live a life I once thought I'd lost forever, and I help other people do the same. Because here's the truth most people never hear. Life will lie to you. Your thoughts will try to protect you by keeping you small, keeping you safe, keeping you stuck. And if you don't rise above that, you disappear into it. So if you're there right now, in the middle of it, feeling like you've lost everything, you haven't. You're just in the rebuild. And if you want to see how I did it, the full story, the mistakes, the lessons, it's all there. Unlockyourpromise.com or link in the bio. Be kind, be free, find peace, and keep smiling no matter what.